Everyone. So last week we spoke about stretching specific muscles for specific neck pain, right? So today we're going to learn about how to recruit your upper back muscles which are weak, okay? So what happens is, as we discussed about the forward head posture, right? Your trapezius muscles becomes overactive. When I talk about trapezius, I'm talking about upper traps, okay? Now the trapezius muscle, okay, basically this is your entire spine, okay. So throughout the spine, okay, the muscle extends, okay, from here all the way behind till your scapula end, okay. Now this muscle starts from all these areas throughout this entire spinous process, throughout the scapula, and then inserts over here on your shoulder tip, okay. Now what happens is, with our posture, with the amount of stress, with the amount of anxiety, usually your upper trapezius is overacting, where you see your shoulders are usually forward, slumped forward, or your hunched back posture, okay. Now to activate the opposite muscles would be a permanent solution for this, right? So you want your overactive upper traps to relax, okay. Last time we did a stretch for it as well. And you want your weaker muscles, which is your middle trapezius, your lower trapezius, and rhomboids to work more, okay. Fair enough. So let's start with that. So simple stretches that you do for the neck, what we did last time for your upper traps, right? So shoulder on this hand and stretching the traps, okay. Now combining this with an upper back workout is important, right? We are doing the stretching, we need to do the strengthening part, okay. So we'll start with the rhomboids, okay. Now the rhomboids muscle, okay, basically this is your shoulder tip, right? What rhomboids do is they take your shoulder tip behind, okay. So what we call as retraction, okay. So this is where our forward head posture is, protracted scapula. This is where rhomboids work, okay. Now when you're activating your rhomboids, one thing is important, make sure that your shoulders don't elevate, okay. So they need to be nice and relaxed, head positioned over your shoulder, and what you want to do is just squeeze your shoulder blade behind, okay. Just light squeeze. Fair enough, okay. You need to hold this for 5 seconds, okay. Start with 5 seconds, increase it up to 10 seconds, okay. So take them back, hold 1 2 3 4 5, relax, okay. When you relax, make sure your shoulders don't go all the way forward, they have to come back to neutral, okay. So again, retract 1 2 3 4 5 and relax, okay. So this is how you can activate your rhomboids, okay. Feels very simple, right? Okay, but this is how you start it, okay. Now the second muscle that you need to work out is your middle trapezius, okay. So we talked about upper trapezius, now the middle trapezius, okay. So for middle trapezius, you need to keep your arm at your shoulder level outstretched, okay. The thumb would be pointing backwards, okay. So arm outstretched at 90-degree, thumb backwards, elbow extended, okay. So elbow needs to be straight, okay. Make sure that your upper traps is not working, okay. Nice and relaxed. From here, you need to focus on just taking your arm behind, okay. And when you do that, you squeeze your shoulder blades, okay. So similar to what we did in rhomboids, taking your shoulder tips behind, okay, but at this time your arm is outstretched and you're going to take that along with your shoulder tip behind, okay. So again, in this you need to start with repetitions first, okay. So you would do that and come back to neutral, again taking it back, coming back to neutral, again taking it back, coming back to neutral, okay. So that is the middle traps. Now lower trapezius, okay. So we are done with upper, we are done with middle. Now the lower traps, the fibers are angled this way towards your shoulder tip, okay. That's why the arm gets outstretched at not at 90-degree but at 120-degree, okay. So you start with your arm outstretched by your side at 120-degree, again thumb pointing backwards, and from here you're going to take your arm behind. At the same time, you're going to squeeze your shoulder blade, okay. nice and easy. So again, take it behind, come back, take it behind, come back. When I say come back, you have to come back to neutral, okay, not going forward. Okay, it has to come back only till neutral. Take it behind, come back. Again, make sure that your upper traps are not working at that time. Okay, this needs to be really nice and relaxed. Okay, so 3 muscles. Rhomboids, you're going to do simple scap sets, taking your shoulder tip behind. Okay, for middle traps, you're going to put your arm outstretched at the shoulder level, upper traps nice and relaxed, elbow straight, thumb pointing backwards and taking the arm behind. Lower traps, arm at 120, again thumb pointing backwards, upper traps nice and relaxed, taking the arm behind. All these muscles would help to strengthen your upper back, okay? And from this hunchback posture, you want to get here, right? Nice and straight, not all the way retracted, nice and straight. But because the front muscles are overworking so much, right? Your behind muscles are not working enough to keep them at a check in the neutral, okay? So posture correction is very important, but apart from that, stretching the tight muscles and strengthening the weak muscles is equally important. Okay, stay healthy, stay fit, take care.